Hi there and welcome to Learn With Us How To. We would like to thank you first of all for subscribing to our channel. Now today we are going to learn from you guys, not teach you. So as you have seen, we have a video about the acne in my hair. I recorded that video I guess on 2010 or something, and it has a lot of views. So basically what happened before is that I had a lot of acne on my head, and sometimes when I sleep, blood is there on the pillow and everything. So I recorded a video and I was sharing with you guys, and then it has like 198,000 views. Well, basically, thank you guys for all your advices, and it's really appreciated. I lost, it used to be everywhere in my head, but right now I only have it at the back. That's the thing that I could not lose. If you want to see, I'll just bring the camera more here. That's the only things remaining in the back here. You can see it here. Yeah, that's what's remaining. So, but everywhere else, it's gone. Which is, even though I went to doctors, that I told you, I went doctors here in Canada. I went to London. I went to Egypt. I went to India. I've been a lot of places, but it's not working out. But finally it worked out. Maybe what I did is because I changed my shampoo, and right now I'm using a shampoo. It's like a green bottle, and it shows it's the name of it is like tea shampoo or something. So I've been concentrating or using that for this long time, and I've been I lost everything. But the only times that I feel that it's coming back is only if I eat a lot of chocolate, and I like chocolates, and that's the reason it's coming back a little bit, but it goes. But now what does not go is the ones at the back. So let us hear from you guys. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and put your comments below. Thank you.